Good day. You've tuned into Cognitive Catalyst, your go-to source for understanding the intricacies of human psychology and behavior. Here, we delve into the scientific depths of our minds, exploring how our daily habits shape our lives. And speaking of habits, ever wondered how your morning routine could be setting you up for success or failure? Well, it's time to find out. In today's video, we will uncover the 12 morning mistakes. Don't start your day this way. Scene script. Let's dive right into the first 3 morning mistakes many of you might be making. First up, hitting the snooze button. It might seem like a harmless luxury, a few extra moments of sleep, but it's a trap. When you hit snooze, your brain goes back into sleep mode. But since this sleep is fragmented and short, it leaves you feeling groggy and disoriented, a feeling that can persist throughout the day. So the next time your alarm rings, rise and shine immediately. Moving on to the second mistake, skipping breakfast. Breakfast is often dubbed the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It jumpstarts your metabolism, replenishes your glucose levels, and primes your body for the day ahead. When you skip breakfast, you're essentially running on empty, which can lead to decreased concentration, lower energy levels, and even weight gain. Lastly, the third mistake, checking emails or social media first thing in the morning. This habit forces you to start your day on someone else's terms, not yours. It can lead to unnecessary stress and anxiety, and it also eats into the time you could be using for more productive or mindful activities. Instead, consider starting your day with a brief meditation or a quick workout. These seemingly harmless habits can have a profound impact on your overall productivity and well-being. So, let's make a pact to avoid these mistakes and start our days right. Stay tuned for more morning mistakes you should avoid, and as always, subscribe for more insightful content. Moving on, let's uncover the next set of morning mishaps. Our fourth mistake is quite simple but often overlooked. Not hydrating. Yes, you heard it right. Your body is like a well-oiled machine, and water is that oil. It's essential to hydrate first thing in the morning. After a long night's sleep, your body is dehydrated and yearning for water. A glass of water can kickstart your metabolism, help flush out toxins, and replenish your body's water supply. Now on to the fifth mistake, neglecting to plan the day. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. A well-structured day can help you manage your time effectively, prioritize tasks, and avoid feeling overwhelmed. It doesn't have to be a minute-by-minute itinerary, but a rough guide of what your day will look like can go a long way in setting you up for success. Finally, let's discuss the sixth mistake, not making the bed. It may seem trivial, but this small act of discipline can set the tone for your entire day. It's a quick win that gives you a sense of accomplishment right off the bat. Plus, coming home to a tidy bed after a long day is a welcoming sight. These mistakes can set a negative tone for the rest of your day. So let's avoid them and start our mornings right. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more common morning mistakes in our next segment. As we continue, we have 3 more morning mistakes to discuss. First up, we have a common error that many of us are guilty of, neglecting to stretch or exercise. When we sleep, our bodies remain largely immobile for several hours. Waking up and jumping straight into the day without giving our muscles a chance to warm up can lead to stiffness and discomfort. Moreover, exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. So, starting your day with a little physical activity can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Our next morning mistake is rushing and stressing. We all know the feeling of waking up late and rushing through our morning routine. It's stressful, chaotic, and it sets a frantic pace for the rest of the day. To avoid this, try setting your alarm a bit earlier, preparing what you can the night before, or streamlining your morning routine. Last but certainly not least, we have neglecting to take a moment for gratitude or mindfulness. Starting your day with a few minutes of quiet reflection can help ground you and provide a sense of calm. Whether it's taking a moment to write down what you're grateful for, meditating, or simply sitting quietly with a cup of coffee, taking this time can help you approach the day with a more positive, mindful attitude. These blunders can rob you of peace of mind and positive energy. So remember, start your day right, avoid these mistakes, and set yourself up for success. Finally, let's tackle the last trio of morning mistakes. Now, we've all been guilty of this at some point, neglecting our skincare routine. The morning is a crucial time for your skin, as it prepares for the day ahead. If you skip your skincare, you're essentially leaving your skin defenseless against environmental aggressors, such as sun damage and pollution. So, ensure you cleanse, moisturize, and apply a good SPF before stepping out. Moving on to our next common mistake, not taking the time to eat properly. We often underestimate the importance of a nourishing breakfast. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your body with essential nutrients to kickstart your metabolism and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Try to include protein, fiber, and healthy fats in your breakfast, and remember, a rushed meal is often a nutritionally inadequate one. Lastly, one of the biggest mistakes we make is not setting a positive intention for the day. Now, this doesn't mean you have to sit in meditation for an hour every morning. It could be as simple as taking a few moments to focus on your goals for the day, or practicing gratitude. This act of mindfulness creates a positive mindset that can influence your entire day. Avoiding these mistakes can help you start your day on a positive note and increase your overall productivity. So remember, skincare isn't optional, breakfast is crucial, and a positive intention can change your day. Stay mindful of these morning habits and watch your days transform. To wrap things up, the way you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. We've walked through 12 common pitfalls, from skipping breakfast to neglecting hydration, and from rushing through tasks to neglecting self-care. Each of these mistakes can hamper your productivity and mood, but remember, every day is a new opportunity to sidestep these traps and make better choices. Subscribe to Cognitive Catalyst for more insightful content. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to starting your day the right way.